like to make a video about the Feedrate override. Okay. Let's start the job, and you will see this job will starting to run. Okay. It's a dry run, so it's in the air. That's not the point. I want to show you this button called override. It may be in different position in different keypad, but in this one, this is override for this speed. You can see currently 60%. You can press it, you can change, then it means the movement will be increased. Okay, but you can up to 120% speed rate increase, so the movement will be faster. So now we can also decrease it. It will slowly lower down. And if we change to 0, this will stop. Sometimes it will pop a message to tell you speed rate is 0, especially want to move. Okay, I will show you that later. Let's just increase it so we can keep moving. Then another thing, you can override the spindle. You press shift, so it's for the corner. So you can increase the speed of the spindle. You can see that says 7S. You can lower it. You can also go 0, then it will actually stop. Okay, so you can override the speed of the movement, and you can override the movement speed also. Okay, now let me cancel the job. And then if we make the override to 0, now if you want to move it, it will tell you you cannot move it because the feeder is overriding 0. Okay, you have to get it at least 10%. Then you can move it. Okay, then you can move it. But if you make it 0, you cannot move it because you tell the system don't move it.